Yeah. Okay. I'm going to record this session. So before beginning this, I was waiting for Chirag, and that's why we spent good time for conversation. Chirag. Chirag, can you listen to me? By the time, I would like to ask who is having the problem? Dinah, today I've seen that you are scoring 30 and 32.
Oh, but still my score is coming up to 6.5 only, sir. I have to score 7.5.
That is what I'm saying. Your score is 32 or 30. You need to score minimum 36 or 37. Minimum. I had a student previous month before the year, and he got 8 completely in reading. And when he was here, I had given the same passages, same training method. And now I'm going to share his, you can see, he got 8 completely. And whenever he was here, he used to crack this IELTS reading more than 38 or 39 questions.
But is there any tips or tricks or something where, See, because, sir,
why,
the synonyms, what is mentioned in that reading pack?
Each time I'm discussing the same. Today I'm going to same the discussion. If you can see in your WhatsApp group, can you see in your WhatsApp group? Can you see in WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
One person got 7.5 in listening. Reading, he got 8.
Sir, he's that same person, Uzair. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I think Dinah knows about her. Dinah?
Yes, sir.
I think, did you meet with him now?
Yes, sir.
You can see that guy was scoring in front of you, and I was training the same format that what right now I have been teaching. Means sometimes one passage explanation. The second time, the second passage and explanation. So the same thing happens. If you are really, if you can understand the passages and if you're really concentrating, this will really help you a lot. And you can see this is one example that I have given. If that guy can score 8, and that is he's also my student. When he was there, so he started from the beginning. And I gave the same trick, what I'm providing the tricks to you. And Dinah, I think you know it. So it is better for this news and this confirmation and this authentication. Now, let me ask Chirag. Chirag, you tell me what kind of difficulty that you face so that we can discuss right now.
Sir, I took more time in paragraph heading as well as pupil's question. Otherwise, filling the blank is okay for me. Okay. I can get easily answer in filling the blanks.
Okay.
So but my question is that suppose you discuss previous whatever I solved. Suppose IELTS Cambridge 12 1 2. If you can discuss previous test, then it's okay for us. In every lecture you will start new test. So difficulty was remaining.
So why not? That is why today I decided. Last time I had given you a lot of tests for the general. Today I'm just giving you some academic.
According to me, suppose you will complete the whole series, then it's not good for me as well as. If we will complete at least 5% with quality, then it's okay. I don't want to complete whole syllabus, or I don't want to complete speaking or everything. If speaking is remaining, then I don't have any problem.
Look, have you seen
sir, in your even WhatsApp? I am facing, sorry to interrupt you, sir, even I am facing problem in headings.
Today I have to discuss. I'm asking you, Mr. Chirag, have you seen in the WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
I have sent one of the result of Mr. Uzair Khan. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
What is the score of reading?
I think 8. I don't go
It's
through
8.
the WhatsApp.
He scored 8, and when Dinah was coming to my classroom, that guy was also coming, and he did the same. Means the last time how I had explained the tricks and information about IELTS. British Council says the same, that how to skim and how to scan. I say the same. Even I also provide some of the passage, and I ask you to find the answers.
Sir, one question. Can you take one passage and complete the whole passage? So we will get ideas. How can sir guide get answer within few minutes?
So one passage or entire test? Tell me.
Only one passage. Passage means entire heading passage.
So why not you try to? I'll just give you right now one test to you. This is
no. If you will cover one passage, then we will get the idea. How can you find the answer within minute? I will get answer, but I will take lots of time.
Okay, so now, okay, don't worry, friends, don't worry. I'm just going to explain here. Well,
and result is not matter for me, because I observe many students.
Okay, can you see on your screen? First, see, ask me, can you see?
No, sir.
Let me share my Let me share my computer screen first. Tell me. Now I think you can see my computer screen.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this is whatever you are asking, I have got the same here. Reading passage 2. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Reading passage 2. And here first we need to understand that this is to spend 20 minutes on question 14 to 26. So, but you don't have to go with this one. 14 to 17 here. Okay, and mainly you have problem with the list of headings. Okay. So let's see first this one. When you see this list, like seeking the transmission of radio signals from the planet. First, you have to understand this transmission, seeking, approaching the radio signals from the planet. Planet says something if you understand in your Hindi. So, if you have to go with this one, so this is A. Okay. This is B. This is C, and this is D. This is E. Total, you can see the 5 paragraphs that you are having, isn't it? So let's see if you have to start with A. Okay. They have given some, even A, they have also given answer. A is 5. So because we don't need to find out this A, but let me see why this one is. See the 5, what is the question? Regions for the research for extraterrestrial intelligence. So first you have to see the regions. Okay. Okay, regions for the research for extraterrestrial intelligence. So let me see if you can really read it faster. So you can see the very first. I will give you again this one, okay? The primary region for the research of basic curiosity. You can see this is the first time, that means the region that is matching. But still, we have to find out for extra, okay, terrestrial intelligence. The same curiosity about the natural world, the tribes of pure science. We want to know whether things we are alone, universe, to know whether things goals naturally if you get right. And you have to read it very fast, whether there is something special about Earth, okay, the variety of forms that we found planet. So something, this is also the planet that the simple detections of the radio signal will be sufficient to answer the most basic questions of the sense of city is another call, machinery, the pure science, which is continually pushing the horizon of our knowledge. Or always remember that is a region, but extraterrestrial intelligence. Okay, so see, this is the intelligence means knowledge. Okay, and extra that pushing, this is also, however, there are other regions. Look, again, these regions come for being interested whether life exists elsewhere. For example, we have had civilization or perhaps only a few thousands years and the traits, nucleus that we pollutions over the new decades, tools, this is survival may tremendous. Will last another 2,000 years, will we wipe ourselves out? You can say the extra intelligence since the lifetime planet like ours, several billions of years, we can expect is other civilizations to survive our galaxy with ages to range from 0 to several billions. Thus, any other civilization that we hear from likely to average than ourselves. Okay? The more extensive existence of such a civilization that will tell us long-term survival is possible and gives us more causes of optimism. It is even impossible for older civilization. So you can see this is your extraterrestrial, means the survival of intelligence, and they are finding the research. This is the region. In the beginning, that is also the region. Even it is even possible to older civilization that may pass the benefits of experience dealing with the trade survival. So as you know that already it has given, so you don't need to spend your time here. Okay. Now, the next one that I'm going to read for you, and I will tell you which passage is matching. The first, we have to see seeking transformation. 5, we have to write appropriate responses to signal from vast distances onto Earth's closest and assumptions underlying the search for extraterrestrial intelligence and regions. Look, they have also written here extraterrestrial, like terrestrial intelligence, and here region. But here assumption matlab hota hai manyataएं. Okay, assumptions underlying the search for extraterrestrial. So we have to see if these two lines are different, and even knowledge of extraterrestrial life form. So let extraterrestrial, that it is there in 3 different the headings. Now you have to come with the 4. And let me see what is the answer. So you can see by discussing whether we are alone. Okay, well, most scientists adopt 2 ground rules. Okay, always you understand that means it is talking about assumptions. First, UFO generally ignored since most science don't consider the evidence for them to strong enough to be a serious consideration. Although it is also important to keep an open mind in ease, any really convincing evidence emerges the future. Second, okay. Second, we make a very conversation assumption. Look, assumption is there. So let me see where assumption is there. Seeking, you can see the 4 number. They have mentioned something assumptions. Can you underline? Say yes or no all.
Yes, sir.
So still, yes, this is not completed. You have to read it. Now you have to see the assumptions, okay, underlying the search for extra. So first, B is matching with almost 4, but let me say something else that we are looking for. The life that is pretty like this, since it differs radically from us, may not recognize the life form, quite apart from whether we are able to communicate with it. In other words, okay, the life we are looking for. Look, we are looking for in the search may well have 2 green heads for the 7 fingers, but it will nevertheless resembles. Again, resembles manyata us that it should be communicate with 8 fellows, be interested in the universe, and live on the planet, okay, orbiting the star-like suns, and perhaps most they strictly have chemistry like us based on the carbon. So this is, as you know, that assumption we can found, and this is also assumption, and they are also looking for some extra intelligence on the planet. So this is goes with the 4. Can you underline? Now we have to see paragraph C. Like this, if you can find one, you have to stop it. So let me see why the paragraph C, and we have to find here the keywords. So I'm just reading for you. Even we make all these assumptions, our understanding of our life form is still several limited. We do not even know, for example, how many stars are planets. Okay. The planets almost we have seen, and we certainly do not know how likely it is will rise naturally given the right conditions. However, when you look at 100 million stars in our galaxy like Milky Way, 100 billion galaxies in the observation universe, it seems, look likely, it seems that is the at least one of these planets does not have a life form. In fact, best education guesses can make using the little that we do we know that the conditions of carbon-based life. So you can say the life, existence of life they're talking about, and you can see a word that is life. The last you can see the 7 likelihood of life. Likelihood matlab sambhavta, okay, of life on under. So almost we have seen that they always say it may, in fact, and you can see it seems, aisa lagta hai, inconceivable, okay, inconceivable that at least one of these planets does not have a life form on it. In fact, the best education that we can make using the little that we do not know about conditions for carbon-based life, okay, leads us to estimate the perhaps one like star might have a life-bearing planet. So likelihood of life on this is that this completely you can see they are talking about only, which is almost next to, they are talking about some likelihood of life, मतलब life की संभावनाएं जो अदर प्लैनेट पे है. तो ये सी जो है ना, ये that 7 से मैच करता है. Then let me see the paragraph E, and you know that how just we have to understand the keywords. Let's see the keywords. What is the matching key? अब देखते हैं. Let's see. An alien civilization could choose many different ways of sending information across the galaxy. Across the galaxy. Signal देखो कहीं ना कहीं है. Information, sending information. तो sending information यानी कि sending signals. हम लोग वहां पे signal भेज सकते हैं. और you can see the second में कहीं ना कहीं appropriate responses to signals from another civilization. So we see हमारा एक another civilization क्या है? An alien civilization. And other civilization that is mentioned here could choose may different. Okay.
Even frequency range is mentioned.
That is what I'm saying. This is the if other. So I think our work is done. Then we do not go with the next one. Look, another civilization and responses. So you can see the terms that means given more transmitted power, radio waves, frequency range. So I think this is like this. Now you tell me where are you at? You can check the answer first, and I will send you again. Tell me, Chirag, are you there? Right. This will be disconnected. Again, I will send you the link to you. Now tell me, Diana, Namrata, and Sharwari Patil. Okay. I will send another, then I will talk to you. What did you realize? Okay. I'll send right now.
Okay. Okay.